So I'm on my way to the gym this morning, and there's something that's just been bugging me about exercise, nutrition, eating, food, reward, and how all this stuff has gotten just mixed up and what it does to people and their psychology around food and reward system and feeling guilty about things that you put in your mouth. So the old school of thought is you can eat whatever you want as long as you go to the gym and work it out. And that's just not the case. You cannot put garbage in and expect to have a physique that is strong, that has a certain level of muscularity and density in a comparison to its ratio of fat, if you're putting in crap. And sometimes these ideas that are perpetuated by the fitness industry and gyms, and I understand the purpose behind it, right? They're selling memberships and they're trying to motivate and encourage you. But don't get stuck in this trap of, okay, so I'm going out and I'm going to eat whatever I want, pizza and breadsticks and cookies, and drink whatever I want, but tomorrow I'll pay my penance in the gym. Because it just sets it up as exercise as some form of punishment, and exercise isn't punishment. In fact, if you're able to separate what you get out of feeding your body in a way that supports it from exercise, and look at the benefits you get from exercise. Exercise is about having a healthy fat to muscle ratio. It's about developing cardiac endurance and pushing that VO2 max so that you can oxygenate your body. It's about having balance and resilience. It builds your immune system. It improves your digestion. So if you can start to separate the benefits of exercise from food reward systems, you're going to have a whole new way of looking at both of them that maybe you can enjoy. And don't set up punishment reward. Don't go to the gym and exercise your butt off so that you can go out and eat whatever you want. You cannot exercise your way out of a poor diet, period. It doesn't work that way. And I think we all know better by now. So go to the gym. It's the reward. Reward yourself by taking care of yourself, building resilience, and on the other side, reward yourself by nourishing your body with foods that support it. And if you do go out and have pizza and drink beer and eat cookies, okay, enjoy them. Don't punish yourself and think that you've now done something wrong that you have to make up for. Enjoy them. Just try to balance them out with maybe some other healthy macronutrients, some quality proteins and fats. Make sense?